Okay, we're going to load up a lookalike audience. So a lookalike audience is, say, if you have a capture page and you're collecting data from people that are interested in making money online. Um, what a lookalike audience is, all those people you got in there, they got one thing in common. They like making money. So when we upload that list to Facebook, and Facebook can do one of two things. They could market to that, or they could target that list of people, or they could look at those people's emails that are in that list and target or find those people on Facebook by their email addresses. Then what it's going to do is going to research and find out what all their similarities are, what makes them like-minded to want to make money from home. Then that's going to create a lookalike audience. So let's do that real quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Ads Manager, click on that, and we want to go to Audiences. Now we want to create an audience, custom or lookalike. We want to create a lookalike audience. So what we're going to do, choose custom audience, customer file, which I've already downloaded the Excel files onto my desktop. All right, email. So we're going to upload the file. And let me verify. I've already got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, MLM4 we're looking for. LMLM4. Okay. Hit open. And it's going to upload real quick. Hit next. Verify that these are email addresses in that column. Hit upload. Some entries couldn't be used. Download error report. Alright, let's do this right here. Let's check. Let's see if something was wrong with the email. Let's do this. Data A to Z. There could be a bogus one in here somewhere to throw it off. Don't see anything out of the ordinary. Make sure any duplicates. Okay. Let's try it again. Hit save. Custom audio. Lookalike. Choose new. Oops. Try to pull up a. Choose new. Create custom. Custom file. Add. Upload. I'm gonna do 4. Next. Yes. If this one doesn't upload, I'll do another one. Let's see what this error report says. $14.66. Let's go look at that. My first two or the first 3 that uploaded, no problems. 14.66. I'm not sure if that's the issue, but let's put them all back in line. Save. Close. Let's go back to Facebook. Create audience. Lookalike. Create new. Custom audience. Customer file. Add customers from. Upload file. MLM4. I just do that so I know 1, 2, 3, 4. It just keeps me in order. Yes, it's email. Excuse me. Alright, so if you do get a error report, check that out to tell you what row the error was in. So, alright, now don't click done yet. We want to create a custom audience, okay? You don't want to touch this. You want to leave it around 1 or 2. Leave it where it's at. That's 1% of the country's population. But you do want to come here and type in United States, because that's who we're targeting, the US. So 1%, that's about a 2 million. Okay. Alright, so what it's going to do, it's going to give me a lookalike. If I can get rid of some of these. Delete those. Alright. So this is what happens. I've had a list I've already uploaded. So that one is this list lookalike. And you notice MLM3 lookalike, LLM4 lookalike. So let's do the 5th one. Lookalike audience, create new, custom audience, custom file, add, upload, number 5, open, next, yes. Alright, there's only 397 in that list. Create a lookalike audience, the United States. Alright. And that's how you upload a lookalike audience.